Welcome to Salemi!
For the Feast of San Giuseppe. Enjoy it! Hello everyone!
Ciao dear Sicily lovers!
Welcome to Salemi. We are in the province of Trapani in the west of Sicily and we are enjoying something really special. Today is March 19, 2024 and in Salemi, in this beautiful village, they are celebrating the Feast of San Giuseppe, la festa di San Giuseppe.
So, good name day to all the Joseph, Giuseppe, Pippino,
Pino, Peppe, Giussi,
and if you have
Joe,
Pippino as well. And if you have a Sicilian origin, I'm sure that at least one of your ancestors was named Giuseppe or Giuseppina, because it is one of the most common names in Sicily.
But it's also the Father's Day. So, happy Father's Day to all daddies in the world. Tanti auguri a tutti I papà. So, let's start from this. This is a masterpiece. In Sicily, we used to make the sfinci di San Giuseppe, the pastries of San Joseph, only during the period all around the March 19. So this is a special pastry, special sweet filled of ricotta cheese. It's a very, very tender dough. Can be fried or also baked. In this case, this is the baked version. And
to be lighter.
I had no lunch today. I can confess. This is the last part of our journey. We've been filming all the highlights in Salemi, and we are going to show you the most special experience. If you come to Salemi on March 19, you will see something amazing. Gli Altari di San Giuseppe, right? The altars of San Joseph.
Also named Altari di Pane,
Yes.
because they are made with breads. You will find beautiful masterpiece. Everything is made. They shape bread.
Sorry, Rosella, because I know that it can be a miscommunication. Let's say that we are not talking about altars of temples. We are talking about private houses where local people make the altars into the house. There are a lot of symbols that take back to the pagan times, so very, very ancient times, and they are combined with the symbols of Christianity. And we will show you something really special. But let's say something about Salemi. Why our friends must visit Salemi? Of course, if they have a Sicilian origin in Salemi, we can include Salemi in their tour of Sicily. But in general, if they don't know what Salemi is, how can you explain how beautiful Salemi is?
First of all, it's a beautiful town surrounded by beautiful landscape.
Maybe better to say village. Which is the population?
It's about 10,000 people that still live here.
So it's a small village.
But Salemi is very rich in history, and you have to know that Salemi was the capital of Italy just for one day.
So you are starting from the end.
Let's go back.
We should start from the Hellenian period, so 27 centuries of heritage. Hellenians means a very, very whole population who settled in Sicily almost 3,000 years ago. They are famous for having built Erice or Segesta. If you've been visiting Sicily, maybe you know Erice. So the same people settled in Salemi, they founded Salemi. Then the ancient Greeks came, the Romans, the Byzantines, the Arabs.
That give the town the name. Salemi reminds peace, Salem.
Salam, it's an Arab word, so we need peace. It's a very, very important period of mankind, so we are in the right place, in the right time to celebrate San Joseph, a beautiful feast that means integration, means melting pot of different cultures. I want to remind our friends that in Salemi you can find the Jewish district, the Arab district, and those people were living all together in peace, like in Palermo they did at the time of Frederick II. It should be a sample for the entire mankind. And we were talking about something special. You were mentioning the story of Salemi as the capital of Italy. Not Sicily, Italy.
Let's go back in 1860.
1860, you're right. It was the time when Garibaldi unified Italy. He started from Marsala, that's in the surroundings of Salemi. He went to Salemi, decided to spend the night with these 1,000 fellows. You know, they were 1,000 proud fighters. They fought against the Bourbons to unify Italy, and they spent the night here in Salemi. And Garibaldi said, okay, it's the chance to give Salemi an important title. We want to give Salemi the title of capital of the newborn country, so capital of Italy, just for one day, because the day after Garibaldi left Salemi, they went to Palermo, and so the story went ahead.
If your ancestors are from Salemi, we will help you plan your tour of Sicily, and you will visit the hometown of your ancestors. So just visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and we will help you enjoy Sicily to the fullest.
And don't forget that as an owner of a tour company, we are very, very flexible, and we can customize your tour according to all your special needs. If you come to Salemi, now you will realize it's very, very beautiful. It's full of heritage, beautiful corners. There are beautiful belvederes where you can have you can enjoy spectacular views on the surrounding countrysides, and
the Valley of Belice.
The Valley of Belice. The Valley of Belice is also very popular because of the very, very bad earthquake. You can see behind us the proof of the earthquake that destroyed this part of Sicily in 1968. This is what remains of the mother church. Fortunately, the majority of the village is still intact. So you will enjoy beautiful narrow street with beautiful palaces, and the main feature is that every local makes something special in his house. He invites faithfuls to enter and to see the altar dedicated to San Joseph.
And they also prepare food.
They prepare food. They prepare food.
More than 100, right?
Yes. 101 courses. It's a very, very important symbolic meaning. It reminds us the Last Supper, Jesus Christ's Last Supper, and it's like people want to share food with the entire community. and we had the opportunity to visit maybe the most beautiful altars. We met some people who explained us the several meanings behind each piece of bread, because everything is related to Jesus Christ, to the Virgin Mary, to Saint Joseph. Everything is related to the Christianity, but we have also ancient symbols to pagan religions, like the sun, the moon, because everything is related to the cult of Demeter. Demeter, it's an ancient Greek goddess that takes the light back after 6 months of darkness. After the winter time, follows the summertime, follows the spring. And
the celebration also of the spring, the rebirth.
Yes,
no?
And it's not by chance that they used to celebrate San Joseph on March 19, because we are very, very close to the moment when the springtime starts over, and we can celebrate the sun.
And you know that Sicilian people love the sun. We are the land of the sun.
And now it's time to discover Salemi.
Ninni.
Let's go!
facevo, ogni cadenza mia, stato dell'anima mia, l'amore mio sento, pace facevo, ogni cadenza mia, stato dell'anima mia, l'amore mio sento.
We really hope you enjoyed this video and you keep following us on our YouTube channel, Facebook channel, on our Instagram, and maybe you visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com.
Thumbing up and stay tuned. Love,
Hugs
and kisses
from Sicily.
Ciao!
Ciao!